Hi guys, I'm back. I've been busy with school lately, so there's not much time to upload. But anyways, this is the start of my new series named Tower Defense Tutorial. So this time we'll just now onto the tutorial. We'll show the road, and don't forget to remix my Tower Defense tutorial, Tower Defense assets. And now we need the enemy. And we'll just position it over here, negative 239 and y negative 18. That's good for me. And I'll just create a clone. And now, why do we have these left hitboxes and right hitboxes? Well, we need this to follow the path. Oh god. Stumbling. Create a new block named enemy tick. Add an input of speed and turn speed. Run without screen refresh. And when I start as the clone, make a forever loop with an enemy tick inside it. I'll put a speed of 2 and a turn speed of about 11. Okay. Now, here is where the left and right hitboxes come in play. Switch costume to the left hitbox. If touching the road, then turn left by turn speed. This means if the left hitbox is overlapping the road, we need to turn left to follow the road. Oh, and I forgot. A move speed by steps, a move step by speed at the start of the code. And duplicate from the switch costume to all, switch costume to right hitbox, and instead of turning left, you guessed it, turning right. And switch back to the enemy costume. Now let's see it in action. Yeah, it's definitely working. Oh, it's stuck. Do we need to delete it? Yes, we do. Now we have two easy problems. One, the main sprite is still showing, so it's an easy fix with a hide and a show. And for the stuck on the right edge fix, switch the forever to a repeat until. Repeat until X position bigger. No. Negative X position bigger than 240. And delete. Okay, let's see. Yes, it's finally working as intended. And it still destructs at the end. Okay, now I'll just want to do this at the end. When space key pressed, create a clone of myself. So let's see. Space. Yeah, it's working. Space. But do you see many clones? That's because there's too many clones on screen. This is not 25 clones. That is definitely one, right? No. This key triggers for every sprite, even for the clones. So create a new variable named main for the sprite only. And at first set main to 0. That means no. Oh, set main to 1. That means yes. And when I start as a clone, set main to 0. That is no. And back to the space key pressed. Now, when, if, and if only main is equal to 1, then create a clone of myself. That will prevent the clone overflow. Here we go. Yeah, 1 clone, 2 clone, 3 clones. Not the binary numbers like 1, 2, 4, 8 ever again. But if we hold the space, that's a problem you gotta fix. It's not my fault. Never mind, we got this cool snake. Yeah. And for an extra, I'll create a new road named Road 2. It automatically names it for me. So 0 and 0. I'll just make this road a bit I remember this as being 75. Yeah, it's 75. Now, I'll create 2 pathway roads here. I'll go here, and right here I will cut off and go my own road. Yeah, there we go. So, what we got here is a multiple pathways. So, we will need the enemy to select what they want. So, let's just clean this up with the go to front layer so the enemy doesn't get stuck behind the road. So now, with the new boolean named road, click OK, and instead of touching road, put the boolean named road into it. And now, put road. Where is it? Touching road. And now we want them to select. So, if else, and copy those two into 2 separate if else's, and put 1 is touching road and 1 is touching road number 2. And pick random from 1 to 2 equals 1. That way it'll be random every time. And I mean every single time. Here we go. 1 dude. Wait a minute. This ain't no working. What is happening here? What has happened here? Oh. Click into edit and delete the boolean named road and instead add an input named road. And now you need the exact road name, like this. road. Just pull those two ups. Here. Road into touching. Touching road. And now for the trick. What is this road name? Road with a capital R. R-O-A-D. And now for this is road 2. R-O-A-D 2. And let's see if it's working. Yes, it is totally working. And it is multiple pathway system. So that is the end. Hope you guys like it, and this is all my time. Thank you, and goodbye.